Introducing the new Every Day Caddy Tool from EDC Tool Company. It's the only golf tool you can use from first tee to 18th green and more. 100% made in the USA.
When you're on the first tee and you need to decide tee-off order, flip the Every Day Caddy Tool. No matter what side it lands on, you'll know exactly who goes first, second, third, and last. Iron shots from the fairway can be challenging. Estimating your yardage in is crucial. Use the Every Day Caddy Tool to estimate your yardage from 150 in. Align the base of the pin with the line on the tool and use the top of the pin to estimate your range. Be sure to watch our video on how to use the range estimator. Precision shots around the green require great ball control, and keeping your clubs clean is an important part of that. The Every Day Caddy Tool was designed specifically to fit in the grooves of your club to remove debris so you can get that extra spin every time. Stewardship on the golf course is something we should all strive for. Among all the other things the Every Day Caddy Tool can do, you can quickly mark your ball position on the green and fix any and all ball marks from incoming shots. Who doesn't like to take a selfie on the golf course? Use a tee to prop up your Every Day Caddy Tool, and you've got a selfie stand. So you can analyze your swing, or take that once-in-a-lifetime group shot. Just reach into your pocket and you'll have a caddy at your fingertips. The Every Day Caddy Tool from EDC Tool Company, the most useful and innovative golf tool on the market. Made from high-grade stainless steel or grade 5 titanium, this pocket-friendly accessory will be there for nearly every task you need while pursuing your best game of golf. If you'd like to make the Every Day Caddy Tool part of your golf game, back us on Kickstarter. Get one for yourself as a solo player, 4 for your entire foursome, or pick up a tournament pack and we'll brand it with your club or brand logo. And don't forget to check out our add-ons. You can pick up a genuine leather tool slip or titanium ball marker from EDC Tool Company, 100% American made.